table is not even on the ground on this side anymore. It's like lifting the box. There's on one good leg and two folded and one leg is in the air.
These little things, they may not be strong enough to hold all that weight.
They may not be. Oh Lord, okie dokie. You see the leg over there lifting up? It's lifting the box up.
Why is that?
Physics, I don't know.
It's not going back?
No, it looks to me like the table is not accurately going to hold this. Seems to be breaking down or something. I guess that is not.
It's right on the edge over here, boy.
I don't know what's happening.
You gotta be a little faster than that.
Just kidding.
Ooh.
What do you see? It's not working, but you're still going.
Yes, it is.
How is it working? No, the leg is. That should be a sign that there's something weak in the structure.
Well, I don't want to push it up.
It's not a sign to keep going when the leg is in the air.
Alright, now,
Literally on
what was
one
supposed to
leg.
happen was, I was supposed to push that thing up like this. Then you were supposed to go up under there.
That was supposed to happen.
Yes, that one was supposed to happen. So,
Do you think this table can even hold this transmission?
yes. They hold my weight. I'm 180 pounds.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now, question is, if I come in here and I say, okay, now let me see what it feels like.
Won't you do that standing up?
Because I feel I'm using my calves and my forearms. I'm not using my back.
Okay. That leg over there.
There you go. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, this is what I want you to do. It's not bad at all. I think you should be able to do that. Yeah. The question is, will you
Do what?
be able to pull those legs out from under there safely? Okay, let me ask you this. Can you move that jack? Wait a minute, wait, think about this, Ken. Think about this. Do you know how to let a jack down?
Yeah, you showed me before. I got twisted the other way slowly.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Oh, I want to do it now.
Yeah, go ahead. See, she brave, guys. Then you have to pull that other one far out too.
This one here. Okay, I see.
Move the jack out of the way. Look at it, guys. I don't even want this table over here. I want this table somewhere else. Here it goes. Ta-da! We got it. Thank you, honey.
Now I'm getting out the way. Move,
Not
dog.
you, Romeo. But congratulations. Come on, come on.
Oh,
Come on, Romeo.
go give
Come
Daddy
on.
some sugar.
Come on. There he is. Y'all see Romeo. Y'all know who he is. Anyway, guys, it's on there.
You're in the wrong spot. That thing might collapse at any second.
Okay, you can go now. Get out of here.
Okay.
All right, so let's see.
Come here.
See that? Now, I have to move this whole thing over there. The whole damn thing.
You're fired.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna turn it off now. It's on there. It's on. See, it's on. It's on. See, that's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be just like that. And then I'm supposed to put this on top of that.
You might.
Just gonna scoot it on there. And that's it. Now, the other problem is, this table, I done messed around and put the thing somewhere where I wanted the transmission to be sitting right here so it won't be in my way. I want to bring that joker this way. I can keep it if I put it up on some skates. Now, I got some skates that I can use. So if I put it on the skates and then I skate it over there.
Why you want to put it on some skates? Why's it got to be over there for?
Huh?
Why does it have to be over there?
Well, because I want it out of the way. That's the reason why I'm cleaning all this stuff up. I want it out of the way. So it's supposed to be, this little area here is supposed to be me and transmission space. Right here. Transmission supposed to be right here.
You couldn't do
Then
that.
I'll take it. Huh?
Should have done that over here.
I know, but see, I was using this as leverage to keep this thing from slipping.
I see.
See, these were in the ground,
They were.
stuck right here. Otherwise, they'd have been sliding
That's
back like that.
makes sense now.
I've been engineering this today and a couple of days ago to figure out how I was going to do it.
Okay, now you're trying to figure out how you're gonna put it over there.
Yes. Now, I could. See, this is some skates right here. See, this is skate here and this is skate here. See? I don't know if I should put it on this one. It's not strong enough. You know, it may damage something. Unless I put a board on this. Put this right here. Yeah, it may go straight through that. Or I can use this jack. Lift it up and that's another show, guys. Okay. Y'all take it easy. If I come back and that thing been moved, then it's your fault.